Okay, let's go quickly here. You can't bring a ride from Psukim before Matan Torah. Some people say it's only when the svara is not compelling. I'm a Muslim, we stop with something a place where it makes sense. This is not compelling. It's called a zeicher. The Rashi Rankas with the Mishum Hachim, which ein raya davar. What does it mean ein raya davar? The divrei term divrei kabbalah lo yafirim, because the usually it's, I guess maybe always, it's a case where they bring down pasuk from Navi as opposed to pasuk from Torah, and pasuk from Navi is a zeicher, not a raya. Now this is very, very cool. Now notice Kivyachol. When we say Kivyachol, like Kivyachol, Kodesh Baruch Hu got angry. Kivyachol, Kodesh Baruch Hu showed himself or something like that. The Torah, which is in Chab Beis Os, 22 letters, Kav, can say such a thing. But we can't say such a thing. In Amiros, Chab Beis is in the Chikon Chab Beis is the Rosh Tevis, Kasuv Batorah. It's written in the Torah, and this they both same idea. It's written in the Torah, Yachol. Then it's written in the Torah. It's possible to say, but otherwise not possible to say. And then it's mamish like we found. Now, if the pasuk said it, we could not say such a thing. Matzinu shemavi raya min Torah v'adam midivei kabbalah. So if you want, why is it being arrived from the Torah, then from David? David comes to say a few lo haya lot of a pasuk last from the Torah. You wouldn't have a pasuk to read this midaraisa. Yesh lo some midarabanan midivei kabbalah. We would still have asked to rabbanan because of the pasuk in David. Dvar Torah, when it says something Dvar Torah, shtei lashonos. I mean, two things. One or two things. So, so means mamashim Torah, Dvar Torah mamashim Torah, l'famim Torah Dvar Torah lochel moshe misinai. Also, we lochel moshe misinai. Ein mukha b'Torah. Train yoni. There's no order in the Torah on two topics. But one topic, there has to be an order. If it wasn't the case, cloud prat, how do you know things a cloud prat? Prat to cloud. Maybe it's out of order, it's a prat to cloud. Prat to cloud, conversely, so it's prat to cloud, prat to cloud prat to. It's clear that we said, just point out that Rashi in this week's parsha, Shmuel's Perek Pasuk says, and it's not necessarily the same thing I know, but about the order there is that it says there, first Vayoshev Artz Mitzrayim, but then we kach Moshe Sas Mateh. So he says, "Ein bukta mucham b'duk talking about mikra." B'chol Torah lo bein ali kuva el b'chad cross saglakev. You don't need a second pasuk to tell me something is required. One pasuk is enough. Back to the question: the beginning kam b'muklemas ashkechon middle mitzvah akev minayin. It's the only question we find several times. It says, "Okay, that pasuk tells me it's a nice thing to do." How do we know that? It's an impediment that if you don't do it, it's no good. That's required. For Teipuk, which means that it suffices. The three ways of understanding this. We're not denying the law or the concept. But it says, I have another basis for it. A rationale, which is either more simple or more or easier. Sometimes it means you bring me 2 or 3 reasons for one concept. So more or less, why I need so many reasons? They blame Mishum this reason. It's a good example. It says for 3 reasons you can't go into a ruin. Right? It says because of Shadim, because of Yichud, and because of Mapolis. Right? Because it might be demons there, it might be a woman there, and there might be an avalanche. Right? So the Gemara asks, typically Mishum Mapolis. Right? It's enough that it's dangerous. And the third way it's used, when it denies when it contradicts the halacha. This is self a chasan.
Took his dowry to his father-in-law's house.
What?
Took his dowry to the father-in-law's house.
Yeah, but no, that's not enough to know what exactly is going on there. Aye, at my age, it should be a bucket of shots already. So I don't know, bitch. Oh God, I've been doing this. You're doing the Bechamua. What? Says about Shliach there? They would play. Shliach Shabbat. There's this one. Okay. So there's a case is a certain guy gave money for Nadunya, and eventually the Dunya went down in price, so he wanted to back out. So the Gemara asked, okay, because he only gave money, he didn't actually do Mashiach on the Dunya. Then the Gemara goes through a discussion, and then the Gemara says, Teipuk the Shliach Shavya. So the Gemara says, he was a shliach on behalf of his father-in-law's house to get his own dowry. So he was a shliach, so that's why shliach is no mishapara. Okay, because he wasn't buying for himself. He was going to get it again, actually, because he was the son-in-law, but right now he's not buying by himself. And a mishapara is when the buyer gives the money and backs out, he gets a mishapara, but not when a shliach gives the money, right? So therefore, it says Teipuk. So there it actually contradicts the halacha. It says you just said that you get to mishpara, you can't back out without a mishpara. What do you mean? He's a shliach. A shliach can't back out without a mishpara. So that's makish the halacha. Okay, that Teipuk it's nothing to do with rationales. First two ways of learning Teipuk to do with rationales. This has to do with the halacha itself. Also, probably talking about a knife, a shchita knife. So that has shamlunis and isra there. So I guess I think Mora says talks about the blood, and then when I ask what about the shamlunis and isra. That's Teipuk in Bechinas Atam, in discerning the taste. I guess the time, I guess it's contradicting the halacha. What?
In terms of the reason, the Rava Amar Mutar Mitam Bekalkel,
yeah.
The Asur Mitam Shimnunis.
Okay. So okay, fine. So therefore, so the Rava Amar Mutar Mitam Bekalkel v'Amakshmar the Asur Mitam Shimnunis. Okay, so there he says that it's a bad taste. Okay, so therefore it's rejecting the kasha. Okay. Now next one I like very much the way he puts it. The chol bishlama yesh bo milchama. Anytime it says bishlama, should we understand and say, it's fine if you say, so he says, it means it must have been a war. So, Tiloke Yomar, Mishe Love Hamilchama, Mishe Lokain, Yomar Mishe Love Hamilchama, Mishe Love Hashalom, Yani Chenu, Yesh Lama Rabba Love. I lost.
Disagreement.
What?
if it wasn't a very strong disagreement, they should just get along.
Yeah, I guess.
Right.
Looking on Mishay Love on Milchama, Mishay Love on Shalom. Mishay Love on Shalom, Yinichenu. Yehi Shlomo Rabba Love. El Nir Gam Mishay Love on Shalom. Yesh Lo Negdo Ktsas Milchama. Docha. The guy he's arguing against has some war or some difficulty. Bishlama Leploini. Avagav Sheish Lo Ktsas Docha. Nuchal is Bo Perusha. Okay, so Bishlama according to so and so, so it means Bishlama according to somebody so and so. It's not full P. There's no full P. It's not that everything is hunky dory and everything is smooth. Because then you don't have to say Bishlama, right? So rather it means Bishlama, according to him, I could smooth things out. I can make do. We'll make peace, right? But according to the other one, even though it's a Docha, Nuchal is Bo Perusha. And plenty kasha kushia kamura. But according to the other guy, I have a pitched battle I can't give him. Okay, that's very cute. Okay, let's do just the short ones. We'll leave long one for next time because I see there's a lot of. This third one coming is long. I think Benari on it. Okay, maybe a Gemara Shleim Shloshim Toamim Mokum Acher Lo Yiskel Echad. One place Gemara brings 2 or 3 reasons, and the other place only mentions one of them. Yesh Lavin Q Aker. You have to understand that that's the Iker time. Orosh Berak Aker Tes Berak Bamem Likin Di Ramas Zera. Ein Adamas Zeras Chachamim Zel Zel Mokum Shagmar Medame. You can't. Well, okay, that's fair enough. You can't draw parallels between the Zeras Chachamim unless the Gemara itself makes a parallel. Okay, yeah, like I said, the next one, the next 2 have long binarias. Okay, so leave the next 2 for next time. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, well, they're actually getting pretty interesting. Okay, Shkoyach, thank you. It's a shame next week.
Yep. Talk to you later. Bye.